Hi folks! One of the best ways to bring family and friends together is a backyard barbecue. It's a perfect time to make some great food and memories with friends on your gas grill. Now we want to share a simple and easy recipe for grilling some amazing brats on your gas grill. All you'll need are some brats, 2 or 3 yellow onions, 1 stick of butter, 1 bottle of beer, any brand is fine, and of course, some buns. The first step is to make sure that you have plenty of propane for your gas grill. If you barbecue a lot, it's always a good idea to have a second tank as a backup. This way you don't run out of propane in the middle of your barbecue. Light your gas grill so it can warm up to temperature. Now I'm using a medium-sized tin pan for this recipe. Grab your yellow onions and slice them in half. Then cut off both ends, slicing them into strips. In your pan, place about half stick of butter for each onion that you use. Then add your sliced onion in the pan. Now, I'm using 3 large onions because I love onions. Put your tin pan directly on the gas grill using medium heat on one side of the grill. Now what we want to do is we want to melt the butter. Move your onions around so they can cook evenly. Now we don't want to caramelize our onions. We want to just soften them up a bit where they're translucent. At this point, we're going to add our bottle of beer. Leaving the pan on the grill, we're going to continue cooking them. Then we add our brats on the other side of the grill. Always cook your brats using the slow and low rule. Now that's low heat and slow cooking. Never pierce your brat's skin with a sharp object. Always use tongs. We want to keep the juice inside. Turn them frequently to prevent the skin from burning. Also, by turning them every couple minutes, you ensure they cook thoroughly. After about 15 or 20 minutes, depending on your grill temperature, they should be done. When your brats are done, they'll start to make a slight whistle sound. When the juice inside starts to boil, it's seeping out. Now some folks say they're singing. They should be plump and firm when they're ready. You can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature if you're not sure. At this point, the onion, butter, and beer mixture should be ready for your brats. Simply place them inside the tin pan and set the heat to low. Give them another 5 or 10 minutes and you're ready to eat. Take your brats off the grill and serve them right out of the tin pan that you cooked them in. They should stay warm for quite a while if you cover them up. Now you can add any condiments you want to your brats, that's your choice. Serve them with your favorite chips and you're done. This is an easy and delicious American tradition. Remember, if you need propane for your next barbecue, stop and see us at any of the Barnett's propane locations. We've got you covered. Happy grilling and we'll see you next time.